there are multiple domains, and for making a product, multiple domain types of persons are necessary to formulate one idea and to work on it. So there will be collaborations.
School of International Biodesign, Synergizing Healthcare Innovation and Entrepreneurship, SIB-SHInE, is an exciting year-long full-time dedicated residential fellowship program, jointly led by the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and King George's Medical University, Lucknow. It is sponsored by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. It serves to launch Made in India biomedical innovations through its 4C academic program encompassing clinical immersion, conception, creation, and corroboration. Biopatrika is proud to partner with IIT Kanpur and KGMU in welcoming the inaugural batch of this year's fellows. Mohammad Zahid is an introverted engineer who wishes to build and fix things, particularly for our country's healthcare. Congratulations and welcome to the SIB-SHInE program.
Thank you, Charu, for this warm welcome.
Zahid, this is a unique opportunity to really be at the precipice of medtech innovation. What specifically attracted you to the program?
Well, Charu, basically, the most attractive part is the structure of this program that will allow me to work, invent, and learn new technologies and assist our fellows in creating unique products that are going to solve the unmet clinical needs.
So what is the caveat in the medical technology innovation of India that you would particularly like to focus on?
Firstly, I think that there should be more awareness of the healthcare issues that are very necessary. And I think for that, a very robust system needs to be developed to connect all the persons into a one monitoring system so that we can progressively take care of that. And secondly, I think the issue is more with the affordability of the healthcare systems. So I think we can make it more feasible and more affordable so that it can be approached by everyone.
So what is the special skill that you bring to the table to answer these drawbacks?
Currently, I've done my mechanical engineering. I'm a bachelor's in mechanical engineering and I have a master's in computer-aided design. And I'm well familiar with the biomedical softwares and the designing softwares and the analysis part of that. So I think I can help my fellows and I can help in designing and develop the product. Because any product which needs, so initially we have to design, whether it's electrical component or it's a mechanical component, we need a design to make it, convert it into a prototype. So in that sector, I think I can help it.
Do you foresee any collaborations for this initiative? Do you think that you would also build partnerships within the fellows for answering your problems?
Yes, I have to, because there are multiple domains, and for making a product, multiple domain types of persons are necessary to formulate one idea and to work on it. So there will be collaborations.
Did you come into the program with an innovative idea, or will you use the program's training to develop an idea?
I think I'll use the program's idea to develop my idea.
Yeah.
So currently we are in clinical immersion. So we are getting to know and meeting with the different doctors. We are understanding their issues and problems. So we are currently monitoring on it.
Excellent. So why did you choose this immersive program instead of working on these innovations and ideas part-time, maybe with something else? Why come into this full residency program?
Basically, the structure, the help that I'll be getting from the IIT Kanpur and the KGMU, I don't think that I can get all these types of help if I'll be working alone or in a part-time basis. And the idea to convert your idea into a startup and getting the support of SIIC from Kanpur, it's a big help for me. So it is a very important opportunity for me to grab.
1 year down the line, when the program is over, where do you see yourself in the space of medical technology?
I think I'll be working towards my idea, and I think hopefully I'll convert it into a startup or something innovative.
Excellent. We are excited and we look forward to your brilliant innovation and ideas. And thank you so much, Zahid, for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Charu. Thank you very much.